at the University of Florida. At the Florida Semiconductor Institute. The Florida Semiconductor Institute seeks to help support the state of Florida become a world leader in specialty electronics and also to coordinate the semiconductor ecosystem here in the state of Florida. We're the state with the 5th largest workforce in the semiconductor industry, and it's growing. It's exciting right now because the nation has recognized how important it is to have a strong semiconductor industry to serve our economic as well as our other technological needs. To meet that demand, we're going to have to expand our ability to train the workforce. We're going to have to recruit more people to join these programs right out of high school, into the state colleges, as well as into the university system. Right now, there's a lot of exciting development of these programs and teaming and coordination to develop some standards and certifications and to create more of these programs to service that expanding demand. Florida Semiconductor Institute signed an MOU with SACA, which is an organization that's one of the leading in the nation for third-party certifications for industry. If industry wants to hire someone and wants to be ensured that they've had a certain level of training in a particular area, in a special area of, say, manufacturing, then SACA provides a way to evaluate and certify that these individuals have that level of training. There doesn't exist yet a comprehensive certification in the area of semiconductor manufacturing, and that's one of the things that we're looking to team with them to advance. Just a few weeks ago, we had a meeting down in Kissimmee at the Neo City site where we brought in individuals from companies as well as from some of the other academic and educational stakeholder groups to meet and discuss what kind of certifications would be needed. There's a bunch of different opportunities for folks in the semiconductor industry. Some will come in with some training in more manufacturing and how to work with the machines that are used to produce the semiconductors. Others will come in with expertise on how to service these machines. We're going to partner with AmSkills to be able to disseminate opportunities and experiences to broaden awareness and to be able to expand the pipeline of communities that are feeding into our industry.
We're very excited about a partnership we are going to be having with the University of Florida's Florida Semiconductor Institute to help expand and recruit people into this industry, get them trained so that they can launch careers in that area.
AmSkills has the ability to bring mobile hands-on experiences to groups that are in locations where gaining that kind of hands-on training is not possible. I'm very bullish about the semiconductor industry. We saw how critical it was during the pandemic when that manufacturing pipeline dried up and you couldn't buy a car or a washing machine. It's just this critical element that's in almost everything that we use today. Being so dependent upon other nations to produce these components is something that was very challenging. It's an exciting opportunity to get in, I don't want to say the ground floor, but in the early stage of this industry that you could grow in.